The Cascade bouquet, on trend. At Floral Design Institute, that means we get phone calls. How do I do it? What are the mechanics? Today I'll show you how to take the techniques you know, the things you learned in basic floral design, advanced floral design, combine them and create a fabulous on-trend wedding cascade. On trend with the color palette. I started with the toffee rose, such a favorite. Then for a spray rose, Sahara Sensation, another soft muted hue. Then hypericum, Scabiosa, stock, and that beautiful peach, Lisianthus, and the pretty, gorgeous butterfly ranunculus. The mechanics is going to be a combination of the things that you learned in basic and advanced floral design. It will combine both hand tie and hand wired. First step is to create a hand-tied bouquet. But rather than doing the full round, think one-sided, flatter on the back, and a little more elongated, letting the stalk come upright. Then once you have that established, go ahead and tie it off using your bind wire. Then back to flower school, basic floral design, using 22 gauge wire and light green corsage tape. Go ahead and do a wired and taped extension. Again, it'll be flat on the back, but mechanics covered, and nice and secure with all the blooms included. When you have the two pieces, combine them, feeding it through, pulling it together, and then letting it trail downward, creating the cascade. Then go back and add in additional blooms to enhance and combine the two so that it looks full and lush and as though it's one piece. Now is when you can add the more fragile blossoms, maybe the Scabiosa, feeding it down in, getting it so that it comes out just a little bit higher, adding in a few more, and then tucking a bit more foliage around the base so that it pulls it all together visually, and adding more towards the back to finish covering all your mechanics. Then last, go through, tie it off with bind wire one more time, cut off your stems, and finish it off with ribbon. The recipe: 5 of the toffee rose, 5 Sahara Sensation spray rose, 3 stock, 5 Lisianthus, 5 butterfly ranunculus, 5 hypericum, 5 Scabiosa, and then enhanced with the agonis, salal, and a tiny bit of Italian ruscus. Sometimes a new technique simply means looking back at the things you learned in flower design school and thinking about the techniques you already know. Think about creating the hand-tied bouquet. Think about creating the extension. Then combine them for a contemporary cascading wedding bouquet. You'll find the full tutorials in your studies. Yes, go back, take a look again. For more creative inspiration and more fun, you'll find it on our website, flowerschool.com. If you have questions, you can reach us through there. And now it's your turn. Gather your favorite flowers, practice your techniques, and create a cascading bouquet. Be sure to take a picture, post it on social media, and hashtag Floral Design Institute. That way we all can see what you do as you do something you love.